Picture this. While thousands of Lions fans are stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic, navigating around Lake Michigan's massive shoreline, you could be sipping a cold beverage on the deck of a century-old steamship, watching the waves roll by as you cruise directly to your destination. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this maritime route to Lambeau Field actually worth the hype, or just an overpriced tourist trap? Detroit Lions supporters heading to witness the season's opening showdown against their bitter division rivals, the Green Bay Packers, now have access to an extraordinary transportation alternative that completely bypasses traditional road travel. The legendary SS Badger Car Ferry presents an opportunity to cross Lake Michigan's waters while avoiding the exhausting drive that typically takes fans either through the chaos of Chicago's metropolitan area or the lengthy journey around Michigan's Upper Peninsula. A highly anticipated divisional clash is set to take place on Sunday, September 7th, at the iconic Lambeau Field located in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Michigan residents planning to attend this pivotal matchup have several transportation options at their disposal. They can endure the traditional lengthy drive that circles Lake Michigan's perimeter, navigate through Chicago's notorious traffic patterns, venture through the scenic but time-consuming Upper Peninsula route, or embrace the nautical adventure offered by this historic car ferry service. Here are 5 essential insights about this distinctive travel opportunity that every Lions fan should consider before making their decision. A revolutionary approach to game day transportation. The SS Badger Car Ferry transforms the typical stressful journey to an away game into a relaxing and picturesque voyage across Lake Michigan's pristine waters. This maritime alternative eliminates the anxiety of heavy traffic congestion and road construction delays that plague the conventional driving routes around the lake's massive circumference. Detroit Lions enthusiasts can literally drive their vehicles directly onto the ferry and enjoy a leisurely cruise while avoiding the wear and tear of additional highway miles. Festive atmosphere and pre-game celebrations. And this is the part most people miss. The ferry experience isn't just about transportation. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime. Travelers are actively encouraged to display their team loyalty by wearing Lions blue and silver throughout the journey. The ship's crew organizes an authentic game day celebration, featuring specially crafted food options, themed beverages, and entertaining activities designed specifically for football fans. The vessel provides comfortable seating arrangements and various entertainment options, enabling supporters to begin their game day festivities hours before they even set foot in Wisconsin. But here's where opinions might clash. Some purists argue that true fan dedication means enduring the grueling drive as part of the authentic game day experience, precise scheduling and strategic timing. The ferry maintains a reliable daily departure schedule, leaving Ludington's harbor promptly at 9 a.m. and completing the 60-mile journey across Lake Michigan's waters in approximately 4 hours, arriving at Manitowoc, Wisconsin's port at noon, according to local time zones. From Manitowoc's docking location, Lambeau Field sits just 45 minutes away by automobile, providing fans with plenty of buffer time before the 4:25 p.m. kickoff. This generous time allowance accounts for potential delays, parking challenges, and the essential pre-game tailgating rituals that define the Lambeau experience. Practical planning and booking information. Prospective passengers can access the ferry's complete sailing schedule through their official website, review current fare pricing structures, and secure their reservations through the online booking system. Game tickets for the Lions vs. Packers matchup remain available through authorized ticket vendors and secondary market platforms. Smart travelers should book both ferry passage and game tickets well in advance, as this unique travel combination attracts attention from fans across the Midwest region. A living piece of maritime history. The SS Badger carries significant historical importance that extends far beyond its current role as a fan transportation service. This remarkable vessel earned recognition as a National Historic Landmark in 2016, cementing its place in American maritime heritage. Constructed in 1953, The ship holds the distinguished title of being the final operational coal-fired passenger steamer remaining in service throughout the United States. Originally designed and built to transport railroad cars across Lake Michigan, the vessel has evolved to serve modern passengers while maintaining its authentic historical character and traditional steam-powered propulsion system. Now, here's the question that's bound to divide Lions fans. Does taking a leisurely ferry ride to an away game demonstrate true dedication to your team? Or does it somehow diminish the warrior mentality that should come with supporting Detroit football? Some might argue that enduring hardship and traffic is part of proving your loyalty, while others believe that arriving refreshed and ready to cheer loudly is what really matters. What's your take? Is the SS Badger experience the ultimate way to show Lions pride? Or are you sticking with the traditional road trip grind? Share your thoughts and let's settle this debate once and for all.